So guys, for the first step, you want to fully close out of Discord. Now to do that, you want to click on the arrow in the bottom right of your taskbar. Then you want to find Discord. You want to right click on it and then click on quit Discord. And then once you've quit Discord, now you just want to right click on Discord and then click on properties and then click on the compatibility tab. Now you want to select run this program as administrator and then click on OK. And now we're just going to double click on Discord to open it up and then click on yes. And now you just want to head over into your Discord settings. Now we're going to scroll down till we find activity privacy, click on this. And now where it says share your detected activities with others, you want to turn this off and turn it back on again. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then we're just going to uninstall and reinstall Discord. So again, you want to fully close out of Discord. In the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. And then you want to find Discord. If you see it, you want to right click on it and then click on exit. And now you want to head over to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down. You want to delete the Discord folder right here. And now after you delete this Discord folder, now you want to click on app data. Now you want to go to roaming. Scroll down till you find Discord again. Here it is. Delete this folder as well. And now you want to head over to search again and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Discord. You want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall Discord. And now you just want to head over to the Discord website. You just want to re-download it again. This should now fix your problem.